Hi, this is Rami Basigi. We are working on AverageIF and AverageIFs function today. Let's dive in. AverageIF is finding an average arithmetic mean for the cells specified by a given condition or a criteria. AverageIFs, however, is finding average or arithmetic mean for the cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. The difference between the two, one is a single, the other one is a multiple. Okay, so let's get into the average if and find out how we can actually work with this spreadsheet that we have. We have a spreadsheet. Um has a unit purchase price that we're interested to find out, and the criteria is the countries in this case. Let's say for average if we're looking at purchase price uh, for country of France. In order to do this, at the cell right here, we just say equal sign average if, and if you're not familiar with the function yourself, just like write your range and criteria in here, you can always click in your function, insert function, and then you will get function arguments coming up. This can be another way to just to run your uh, formula for yourself. The range that you're looking for in this case is the country range in this case. Okay, so it starts from C2 to C2156. We have 2,156 rows in this case. And the criteria that I'm looking for is the criteria is N4 right about here, which we wrote as France before. So I'm trying to write that N4 is my criteria. And the next one is average range in this. So what is it that we are interested to get our, and that is our unit purchase price. So let's say we have from F2 to 2156. Okay, so the formula will result into a number. So 26.30 for, let's say, if its criteria was France, that would be the case. If the criteria is USA, you type and the criteria will change. So that's referring to average if. Now, what happens if we have multiple criteria? Let's find out average ifs. In order to find average ifs, equal sign, average ifs. Let's use our function argument. What average range we're looking for? We're looking at purchase price, unit purchase price, F2 to F2156. What range that we are interested is our country, so C2 to C2156. What criteria is we're looking for? In this case, we want to write down the name of our countries on a N11, and then it should calculate for us. And now let's look for the second condition. That means the date range that we are interested. But in this case, our date ranges are order date, D2 to D2156. What criteria we're looking for is, this is our criteria or condition, but we wanted to have our condition, we want to be between those two dates, so it must be greater than or equal. It has to be put into a quotation mark, and then you have to have your ampersand or O11 in this case, because that's what we are inputting into our formula. And then next will be our second condition range. What dates we're looking for? Again, same order dates, which is D2 to D2156. and criteria will be less than, so, or equal sign to the dates that we are interested. So we put ampersand, and here is going to be P11. So our information is completed, and you should get a result like this. So press on equal sign, and that sure enough, we got our result for August 7 to August 6. We can change our date, will change, our countries will change, it doesn't matter. We can change this one to, let's say, 7th of September 04. It will calculate your values for you. So this is the function for average if and average ifs.